Hello everyone. We are super happy to announce that we have reached the 500 subscribers mark on our channel. Each of you is part of this achievement, and we are immensely grateful for all the support, comments, and likes we have received. Without you, none of this would be possible. Now, the journey continues. Our next goal is to reach 600 subscribers, and we are counting on you to help us reach this goal. If you are not yet part of our community, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell so you don't miss any content, and share with friends who will also enjoy our videos. Once again, thank you very much for being with us on this journey. Let's go together towards the next 600 and beyond. The Tesla Optimus launch plan has changed yet again. Elon Musk recently confirmed the humanoid robot's new production schedule for 2025. That means we may have to wait a little longer to buy Optimus. However, the leasing program could start sooner, with commercial plans expected in 2026. So the question remains, when will we actually be able to get our hands on Optimus? Before we get into the details of this new schedule, there's a few interesting tidbits that Elon shared during Tesla's Q2 earnings call. As we previously predicted, major updates are on the way for Optimus. It's already performing duties in Tesla's factories, and limited production of the first version for internal consumption is expected to begin early next year. Initially, many of us assumed that Tesla would only release a final, high-tech version of Optimus, with previous generations dedicated to R&D. However, we were wrong. In a recent video, Optimus was shown folding a shirt at one of Tesla's development facilities, indicating that the first generation is still evolving. This reinforces that Tesla is maximizing every achievement it has made in developing the robot. Our previous guesses suggested that Tesla would release 3 generations of Optimus at different price points, with varying features. Elon has already mentioned that a small number of the first generation will be produced for internal Tesla use. So the big question is, which version will be made available to external customers? The answer came when Elon confirmed that the version that will be sold to the public will be the Optimus Gen 2. This announcement came as a bit of a relief, since the Gen 1, while functional for internal tasks, is not yet refined enough for commercial use. However, the Gen 2 features significant improvements, including 60% faster movements and a hand with 11 degrees of freedom, compared to the previous versions 5 or 6. In addition, the robot is much lighter, making it more versatile for commercial tasks. During the conference call, 2 questions about Optimus stood out. The first was, when will Optimus be available for purchase, and the second, when will it become viable for commercial and personal use? Both questions reflect consumer concerns about the launch timeline. The surprise came with Elon's New Forecast, which, while optimistic at times, admitted that the initial timeline had to be adjusted due to the complexities involved. Now, the expectation is that a version useful for external companies will be mass-produced starting in 2026. That means these updates will take even longer. During Tesla's second quarter earnings call, Musk once again reiterated his plans to launch humanoid robots, saying, "We expect to have several thousand Optimus robots produced and performing useful tasks by the end of next year in our Tesla factories. And then in 2026, we will significantly increase production, and at that point we will be supplying Optimus robots to external customers." Tesla unveiled the prototype of the humanoid robot Bumblebee in late 2022, and if by 2026, almost 5 years later, the manufacturer has still not managed to commercialize the robot, it will be a long delay, which raises doubts about the fulfillment of these promises. The truth is that commercializing humanoid robots is extremely challenging, as is evident when looking at the case of Boston Dynamics, which took almost a decade and, even so, ended up discontinuing the Atlas. To this day, there is no sign that Boston Dynamics will actually sell its robots. A few weeks ago, Elon suggested on X, formerly Twitter, that the robots could be offered for both rental and purchase, with the former being available first. While there is considerable skepticism about what Elon wrote on X, we believe that the rental program could begin before Tesla officially opens the robots for sale. This initial rental plan serves 2 purposes. First, it alleviates the cost for customers, and second, it fits in with the time when the robots are not yet in mass production. Musk's shift in strategy to commercializing the humanoid robots for external customers, which has been delayed from 2025 to 2026, occurred shortly before Tesla's shareholders' meeting. At the time, Musk mentioned that there would be over 1,000, perhaps a few thousand, Optimus robots working in Tesla factories by next year, but he did not reiterate the timeline for external sales. This indicates that Tesla is temporarily prioritizing internal use of Optimus. This prioritization makes sense for two main reasons. First, it's unlikely that anyone would spend $20,000 to $50,000 on a product with many defects, maintenance issues, and limited functionality. Tesla needs time to perfect Optimus, and using it in-house allows for faster quality testing and troubleshooting. If we look at Tesla's electric vehicles, a similar strategy was adopted, with most of the first vehicles being delivered to internal employees before reaching external customers. Second, using Optimus in the factory is not only a logical decision, but a bold strategic move. Imagine a gigantic factory like Tesla's, with a constantly changing workforce, a huge workload, and the need for continuous production. Integrating Optimus into the production line is a game-changer that not only stabilizes the process but also increases efficiency. The videos showing Optimus moving around and working with the 4680 battery in the Tesla factory are impressive and demonstrate the potential of the product. Putting ourselves in Elon's shoes, it's clear that there's strategic wisdom in using Optimus to serve Tesla's internal interests first. Not only does it help save on annual labor costs, it also provides an opportunity for the factory to begin building a workforce of humanoid robots. And Optimus' impact goes beyond that. It's no coincidence that Elon has shifted his focus from EVs to AI and humanoid robots. His vision for these technologies has been growing for a long time, and EVs were just the foundation to accelerate that path. As we can see, Elon can transfer virtually all of Tesla's advanced EV technology, such as sensors, motors, batteries, and the FSD autopilot system, to the Optimus robot. This shortens the development process compared to competitors. But why is Optimus so important to Elon? It's clear from what he said on Tesla's Q2 earnings call. As I've mentioned a few times, I believe the long-term value of Optimus will exceed that of all other Tesla products combined. Elon believes that Optimus could transform Tesla into a company valued at $25 trillion, more than half the current value of the S&P 500. Reaching a market cap of $20 trillion would mean that Tesla would be worth about 8 times the current value of Apple. It's no coincidence that Elon is so confident about investing significantly in these robots. Optimus is crucial precisely because this is not a revolution, but rather the natural evolution of how technology can address business challenges such as the global labor shortage and the need to find safer and more efficient ways to perform tasks that are too repetitive or dangerous for humans. Imagine a scenario where robots are deployed in polluted areas without the need for human intervention. Think chemical plants, waste treatment facilities, or even rescue and search operations. And even further, imagine these robots being sent to other planets for exploration and life search missions, especially considering SpaceX's increasingly promising potential for successful space launches to Mars. Now imagine a future where factory labor becomes increasingly scarce. For example, Amazon, the second largest private company in the US, is worried about the potential for depleting its pool of available workers in the country. In response, the company is rapidly developing automated solutions. The latest innovation is a robot that can pick and store items much faster than human workers. The retail industry as a whole continues to struggle with the challenge of finding and retaining reliable employees. Walmart recently announced one of its solutions to this problem, a partnership with Ford and Argo AI to deliver orders directly to homes using autonomous vehicles. This is one of the retail giant's latest initiatives to promote the use of automation technologies in its supply chain. In doing so, Walmart is also encouraging more customer-centric business practices, such as faster last-mile deliveries, a trend that has gained momentum during the pandemic. It's worth noting that Walmart is a major Tesla customer and has already ordered hundreds of Tesla semis, so it's expected that the company will soon deploy thousands of Optimus vehicles once Tesla can produce them in sufficient quantities to serve external customers. Using Optimus to perform tasks offers numerous benefits, but we can't ignore that it still has limitations compared to humans. However, in a factory environment, Tesla's Optimus robot excels in many ways. It can work tirelessly, 24/7, without fatigue, eliminating human error and ensuring constant precision in tasks. In addition, Optimus helps minimize the risk of workplace injuries by performing hazardous work, and is able to adapt to various production functions thanks to its advanced AI and machine learning capabilities. this adaptability extends beyond the factory floor. In a world where automation is becoming a necessity rather than a choice, Optimus could pave the way for an era of hybrid human-machine work, offering new insights into how to balance efficiency and safety in the workplace. The introduction of these intelligent machines could revolutionize industries beyond manufacturing, such as construction, logistics, healthcare, and even space exploration, showing that technological evolution goes far beyond solving immediate problems. It shapes the future of how we will live and work. Optimus is designed to handle unpleasant and dangerous tasks, freeing humans to do more meaningful and safe work. This robot has the ability to operate in harsh conditions that are unsuitable for humans, such as high temperatures or environments that require absolute precision. This expands the operational capabilities of several industries, especially the automotive industry. In Tesla factories, the Optimus robot has superior management and cost advantages compared to human labor. It does not require benefits such as health insurance, social security, or retirement, and issues such as dissatisfaction with working conditions, labor disputes, or the need for rest and vacations simply do not apply to it. In addition, Optimus does not participate in union negotiations, does not demand salary increases, and has no complaints or grievances, which drastically simplifies personnel management and reduces administrative and HR costs. This is one of the reasons why Elon Musk is prioritizing the introduction of these robots in factories as soon as possible. Analysts have already pointed out that while the large-scale deployment of these robots could result in continued layoffs, it is expected to help Tesla achieve its ambitious goal of becoming a $25 trillion company more quickly. While this may seem unbelievable, imagine a Tesla factory where hundreds of workers are replaced by an army of Optimus robots that work tirelessly, without making mistakes, without getting injured, and without demanding benefits. It is a shocking and, to some, undesirable scenario, but the truth is that millions of workers around the world could be replaced right now by Tesla's humanoid robots, without the need for major advances in AI. However, there is no need to panic. As the demand for humanoid robots increases, the jobs related to their production will also grow. Elon Musk has spoken about this. With the potential production of thousands of Optimus robots, the number of jobs will certainly expand. It is easy to see how Optimus could address these challenges and many others by becoming a true robotic assistant. Musk believes that within the next 3 to 5 years, people will be able to buy Optimus as their personal assistant. He envisions a utopian future where Tesla's Optimus takes on dangerous and unpleasant tasks, allowing people to freely explore creative and inspiring pursuits, or simply enjoy a life full of pleasures. However, Musk's intense focus on AI and robots has raised concerns that electric vehicles will fade in importance over time. However, this is unlikely given that Tesla's current revenue and stock performance still heavily depend on its electric vehicles, especially considering that Optimus has not yet reached market maturity. Musk was asked by a shareholder how essential he is to Tesla's future. He responded, "I am a useful accelerator for that future," emphasizing his role in innovation. In terms of competition, Musk noted that other companies, including tech startups such as Boston Dynamics, Agility, Neura, and Apptronik, are racing to develop their own humanoid robots. What really matters, he says, is that Tesla can be much faster than its competitors, delivering a product years earlier and better. While the Optimus robot has been delayed, this is entirely to ensure that the product is perfected. Many people believe that even if Optimus were priced under $10,000, it would be seen as a mere toy and no one would be interested in buying it. Tesla understands this perception and therefore prioritizes quality. They know that an unfinished product, even with an attractive price tag, will not earn customer trust. Therefore, Tesla decided to take the extra time to refine and optimize Optimus, ensuring that when it is released, it will meet the high expectations of the market and will be truly useful in our daily lives. So, what do you think of Elon's latest announcement about the Optimus timeline? If you learned something new about the Tesla Optimus plan by watching this episode, we humbly ask that you hit the like button and join the TeslaBot family by subscribing to our channel. This way, you'll never miss any of our amazing videos when you hit the bell icon. We truly value your feedback and time, and thank you for watching. We hope to see you back soon. Until then, take care, and God bless you.
Can you make me a cup of coffee? Can you make me a cup of coffee?